10 business skills that print money forever. Hook. The business world is changing faster than ever. Industries collapse. Technology evolves. Trends disappear. But one thing never changes. Money follows skill. If you master the right skills, you will never have to worry about income again. Today, we break down the 10 timeless business skills that print money forever, plus one bonus skill that separates average players from industry dominators. 1. Strategy. Most people confuse strategy with having an idea. I'll start a cafe. I'll build an app. I'll sell clothes. That's not strategy. That's guessing. Real strategy is choosing the right market and positioning yourself to win before everyone else sees the opportunity. Strategy asks, where is the market going? What will customers want next? How do we dominate instead of compete? Without strategy, effort is wasted. With strategy, effort multiplies. 2. Innovation. Innovation is not about inventing something strange or futuristic. It's about making something better. Better design, better experience, better simplicity. At the highest level, innovation makes competitors look outdated. If customers feel the difference instantly, you've innovated correctly. You can have the best product in the world. If nobody knows about it, it doesn't matter. Average marketing screams for attention. Elite marketing creates desire. Marketing is not noise. Marketing is positioning. It answers one powerful question: why should I care? If people care, they buy. 4. Sales has a bad reputation. But true sales is not pressure. It is clarity. It is helping someone make the right decision. Sales connects value to money. If you cannot sell, you cannot grow. Master sales and you control revenue. Avoid sales and you depend on luck. 5. Negotiation. Every contract, every supplier, every partnership, everything is negotiated. One bad deal can destroy profits. One great deal can change your future. Negotiation protects margins. Negotiation secures opportunity. Negotiation creates leverage. It is one of the highest income skills in business. 6. Leadership. Leadership is not giving orders. It is shaping culture. Average leaders demand results. Exceptional leaders create environments where results happen naturally. They build trust. They encourage learning. They align teams toward a shared mission. Strong leadership compounds over time. Weak leadership collapses under pressure. 7. System design. If your business depends entirely on you, it is fragile. Systems create consistency. Systems reduce mistakes. Systems increase speed. Systems allow scale. When processes are structured and repeatable, growth becomes predictable. Without systems, growth creates chaos. With systems, growth creates freedom. 8. Resource allocation. Every business has limited time, money, energy. The question is not whether you have resources. The question is, where are you placing them? Great entrepreneurs double down on what works. They eliminate distractions. They invest in long-term leverage. Resource allocation determines your future growth curve. 9. Timing. Sometimes the idea is correct, but the timing is wrong. The market must be ready. Technology must be mature. Consumers must be prepared. Infrastructure must exist. Brilliant ideas fail when launched too early. Timing is the invisible multiplier of success. 10. Networking. No one builds wealth alone. You need partners, advisors, suppliers, mentors, strategic alliances. Your network expands your capability. Opportunities flow through relationships. The stronger your network, the faster your growth. Bonus skill: branding. Branding is not a logo. It is not a slogan. Branding is the total experience someone has with your business. How it feels, how it looks, how it performs, how it is remembered. Strong branding builds trust. Trust builds loyalty. Loyalty builds long-term profit. Branding is what separates commodities from empires. Closing markets will evolve. Technology will change, competition will increase, but these skills will never go out of fashion. Strategy, innovation, marketing, sales, negotiation, leadership, systems, resource allocation, timing, networking, and branding. Master these, and money becomes a byproduct. The question is not whether these skills work. The question is, will you master them?